we're at the Total Parts Pro today, the 2012 Mazda BT50, stock number 7309. It's went from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front door mirror, front bonnet, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch Petrol flat tyre, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch Petrol tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch Petrol tyre, right front headlight needs polish, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,